The Silent Strata. Discovery of the Martian alien mining operation. Since the dawn of the space age, humanity has gazed at Mars with a mixture of fascination and ambition. For decades, NASA's satellites and rovers have studied the red planet, seeking traces of water, microbial life, and clues to its ancient history. But no one could have anticipated what the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, MRO, would uncover in December 2031, a discovery that would rewrite humanity's understanding of life beyond Earth. Chapter 1. The Signal. Beneath it began with a series of anomalies detected by MRO's SHARAD, Shallow Radar Instrument, which probes beneath the Martian surface using radar waves. In a region near Elysium Planitia, a vast plain marked by volcanic activity, Sharad picked up a series of peculiar reflections. These echoes suggested the presence of voids and structures buried several kilometers beneath the surface. Initially, scientists believed they had discovered a massive network of ancient lava tubes. However, as more data came in, something startling emerged: regular geometric patterns in the reflections. Natural formations rarely produce such symmetry. Intrigued, NASA recalibrated SHARAD for higher resolution scans. The results revealed something unmistakably artificial: a sprawling network of interconnected tunnels and chambers. Adding to the mystery was an unexpected electromagnetic signal emanating from the area. It wasn't random, but followed a repeating sequence. Despite its complexity, it bore no resemblance to any known terrestrial or natural Martian phenomena. Chapter 2. Operation Red Probe. In response to this unprecedented discovery, NASA launched a new mission, Red Probe. Utilizing advanced AI-powered analysis tools, Earth-based teams coordinated with the Perseverance rover and the Ingenuity helicopter already on Mars. These machines were redirected toward Elysium Planitia to gather surface data, while the European Space Agency's ExoMars Trace Gas Orbiter monitored for unusual atmospheric activity. What they found on the surface added to the intrigue. The ground above the anomaly exhibited unusually high concentrations of metals, nickel, platinum, and an unknown alloy resistant to corrosion. Traces of microscopic debris, unlike anything seen in Martian geology, hinted at advanced engineering. Meanwhile, an international coalition formed, with China's Tianwen-2 orbiter and India's Mangalyaan next mission also contributing data. Together, these assets painted a clearer picture. Beneath the planet's surface lay an ancient and still functioning mining operation. Chapter 3. The Breach. NASA faced an ethical dilemma. Should they attempt to access the underground complex? After months of debate, an international team of scientists and engineers designed the first human-controlled drilling mission to Mars. The lander, Ares X, arrived on Mars in 2036, equipped with a heat-resistant autonomous drill capable of penetrating the planet's crust. After weeks of drilling, the team reached one of the voids. The first camera feed sent back to Earth stunned the world. The underground chamber was vast, illuminated by dim blue, bioluminescent lights embedded in the walls. Enormous machines, unlike anything seen on Earth, stood dormant yet pristine. Conveyors, drills, and processing units hinted at an advanced industrial setup. However, the most shocking discovery came when the cameras focused on the far end of the chamber, a row of humanoid figures encased in translucent pods, suspended in an apparent state of stasis. Chapter 4. The language of the miners' efforts to decode the electromagnetic signal intensified after the discovery of the pods. Linguists, mathematicians, and cryptographers worked tirelessly, treating the signal as a form of alien language. Over time, they began to decode patterns that suggested a form of binary communication, interspersed with what appeared to be complex mathematical constants. As more data was deciphered, scientists realized that the signal wasn't just a transmission. It was a command structure. The machines in the underground facility were responding to periodic signals from a central source buried even deeper. This source, dubbed Core Zero, appeared to be the heart of the operation, coordinating mining activities and maintaining the facility's functionality. Chapter 5. The Origin Mystery. Who were the miners, and why had they come to Mars? Analysis of the pods revealed that the figures were biologically distinct from humans, but bore uncanny similarities. Their DNA contained sequences resembling both Earth-based and unknown genetic material, leading some to hypothesize that these beings were either a distant relative of humanity or had influenced Earth's evolutionary history. Carbon dating and isotopic analysis of the mining equipment suggested the facility had been operational for at least 1.2 million years, far predating any human presence on Earth. This raised chilling questions. Were these beings remnants of a lost interstellar civilization? Or were they still active elsewhere, leaving behind automated operations on Mars? Chapter 6. The Awakening. In 2040, after nearly 4 years of study, scientists took the controversial step of interacting directly with the pods. A low-energy pulse was directed at one of the stasis chambers, activating its systems. The humanoid inside stirred, opening luminous, reflective eyes. Communication proved difficult at first, but through a combination of gestures, visuals, and mathematical expressions, the being, dubbed Elios, began to convey its story. According to Elios, their species had colonized Mars during a period when the planet had a more hospitable environment. Their mining operations sought rare isotopes to power their interstellar vessels. However, a catastrophic cosmic event forced them to abandon Mars, leaving only a small crew in stasis to oversee automated operations. Elios expressed surprise that humans had developed to the point of space exploration, indicating that their species had monitored Earth's evolution as part of a broader interstellar project. Epilogue. A new era. The discovery of the Martian mining operation and its dormant inhabitants sent shockwaves through humanity. Nations united to form the Interstellar Research Alliance, dedicating resources to study alien technology and biology. Elios, now an ambassador of sorts, shared fragments of their species' knowledge, hinting at vast networks of similar facilities scattered across the galaxy. The encounter forever altered humanity's understanding of its place in the universe. No longer was Mars just a barren wasteland. It was a monument to a civilization far older and more advanced than our own, a silent witness to the potential future of humanity's cosmic journey.